Hello kids, let's learn some colors. Sky blue color, black color, light green color, pink color, green color, blue color, purple color, white color, brown color, yellow color, orange color, red color. Red color, capital E, small a, light green color, capital B, small b, orange color, capital C, small c, blue color, capital D, small d, brown color, capital E, small e, red color, capital F, small a, light green color, capital G, small g, orange color, capital H, small h, blue color, capital I, small I, brown color, capital J, small g, red color, capital K, small k, light green color, capital L, small l, orange color, capital M, small m, blue color, capital N, small n, brown color, capital O, small o, red color, capital P, small p, light green color, capital Q, small q, orange color, capital R, small r, blue color, capital S, small s, brown color, capital T, small t, red color, capital U, small u, light green color, capital B, small b, orange color, capital W, small w, blue color, capital X, small x, brown color, capital Y, small y, red color, capital Z, small z,